Leisure travel can be considered as a British invention. This was mainly on account of various social and economic factors. In fact, Britain was the one to fully industrialize first, amongst all the countries of the world. And an industrialized society would offer leisure time to a large number of people. Even the transportation facilities, mainly railways, were improving in Britain with the industrialization. This resulted in a large number of people having access to travel to holiday resorts in a very short time. However, modern mass tourism began in 1841, when one of the current renowned travel company Thomas Cook organized their first package tour, which included everything in the cost, that is, travel, hotel and entertainment. Later on, with the increasing number of cheap overseas tours and travel agents, a huge number of people got an opportunity to travel abroad.
During the times when societies majorly used to be agricultural and rural, disposal was hardly considered to be a problem. The major reasons for the same were, that the people mostly used to use everything, and also, they had enough space to bury the rubbish. The problems began when the society became industrial and urban. These issues, mainly affected the health of the people. Various municipal boards had a tough time finding efficient ways to dispose off the garbage. In fact, till the 20th century all waste was just accumulated and plowed into landfills. It is in the recent times, when people have been encouraged to classify the rubbish in various categories to simplify the removal and recycling of the same.
Humans have done more research on the outer space, in comparison to the Earth's core. The reason for the same is high temperatures in the center of the Earth. Because of the high temperature, humans are not able to get a closer look of what's beneath the Earth. However, some advanced techniques may soon provide us positive results. The earthquakes and volcano eruptions create massive waves, that are called seismic waves. These waves travel at different speeds below the Earth's surface. It has been found that studying these waves may help us discover and resolve the mysteries of the inner structure of the Earth.
Varied species of birds travel extremely long distances during the period of their seasonal migration to warmer regions. However, not all birds reach their destination. Some of them get lost on their way as well. Do these lost birds manage to find a way back? Numerous researches have been conducted to find a reason for the same. The answer is their age, because young birds would continue their journey, even if they lose their path, and would fail to reach their destination. Whereas, birds having more experience would easily find their original route and successfully reach their destination.
There are many reasons due to which one species can divide into two. One of the major reasons is when the species get separated on account of environmental changes, such as a lake being formed or a forest getting cleared. Now these species will try and adapt the changed environment. These changes will also have an effect on their choices of their mates. This process is known as sensory drive speciation. This process has been observed by researchers in cichlid fish. The female of these species make a preference for either red or blue striped males, only when they are in clear water and are able to see things clearly.